procedure to do our EFP EcoPod is, firstly, we should prepare sodium hydroxide for the treatment of the fiber. Then pour the sodium hydroxide solution into the fiber and leave it for 3 hours. After that, pour the filtered sodium hydroxide into the toxic bottle. Then the fiber should be put inside the drying oven. The drying process will take approximately 24 hours at 50 Celsius. This is the position of the fiber after dried. Then we have to grind the fiber using cyclone mill to make it into small fibers, which will be suitable for the EFP EcoPod. After that, we have to prepare the ingredients for our EFP EcoPod. Firstly, we have to measure the cassava starch. Then measure distilled water and vinegar using measuring cylinder. These are the ingredients used for our EFP EcoPod. Firstly, we have to pour the distilled water into the cassava starch. Mix it together evenly. After mix the starch, pour it into a beaker at a minimum heat. While mixing the starch, we have to add vinegar into the solution. Then spread the fiber in a mold.
The fiber board is actually a reduced weight. There's not a lot of fiber is using in it. So we come up with this product is because it's new and it's natural and it's biodegradable. One of a way to make it to alternative for the plastic. So our EFP EcoPod is actually in a bioplastic form. So it will be biodegradable. So our EFP EcoPod, you can straightly plant it in the soil together with the plant. So the fiber in this EFP EcoPod will give the benefit to the plant as well. So this is the specialty of our EFP EcoPod, and one of the major reasons we come up with this product is because to go more green, to reduce the plastic usage in gardening, because nowadays as we see the statistic all, it shows that the plastic usage in gardening is increasing. So our EFP EcoPod will be one of the reason and one of the factor that might be useful for reduce the plastic usage. So another is, this is our packaging for our EFP EcoPod. This is our logo, and these are the ingredients we have used: cassava starch, distilled water, white vinegar, and then the main raw material is EFP fiber. So cassava starch, as you all know, that is tapioca starch, and moreover about our production name is TNC Production. So to support us, and this is all from our side because we want to go more green. So we hope that our EFP EcoPod will give the benefit to the gardening and also to the environment to go more green. Thank you.
Fiber in the EFP EcoPod gives the essential nutrition to the plants, and the EFP EcoPod will decompose naturally in the soil. Fiber Features of EFP EcoPod is lightweight, structurally strong, easy to shape, inexpensive because each pod costs only RM3 ringgit. Features of